some new YouTube tools that I've been using for a little bit, and it's actually been pretty helpful. I'll explain it to you right after I get me a little blue tea here. Alright, I'm going to show y'all a picture here. Go check out this picture. Alright, so y'all look at where it says Massachusetts Prepper. Right next to it, it tells me that he's an open subscriber to Papa Texas, and he leaves me thumbs ups. And it shows it by the purple heart, I believe is the thumbs up, which means not on this video, just on this video, but that means that he's a pretty regular person that does that for me. So yeah, there's Poor Badge, Dutchy Cooking. Let's see that bottom one. Stephanie Taylor, Papa Texas, can I come live with you guys, please? Alright, so if you notice all them, they're not openly subscribed to me, and they did not leave a thumbs up. Let's come back to Papa Texas. So, how am I going to deal with this? Well, I try to support as many videos as I can watch. But what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to be going through my comments, and I'll be looking for the ones to start off with, because I can't get through everybody. It's really tough. So the ones that I'm going to hit first and get through are going to be the ones that openly subscribe to me and leave me a like, because now I can see whether you're doing that or not. I can go back to my last many videos and see if you've been doing that or not this whole time, and I thought y'all were my friends. If I watched your video and was able to get all the way through it, I'll let you a comment. If I could not get all the way through it, I usually don't leave a comment. We'll see. I mean, if you're stirring up something, I might speak through that. I don't know. It just depends on the time of day, where I'm at, what I'm doing. But anyway, I always leave thumbs up. So, if I commented on your video, you should have the purple heart and the red subscribe button next to my name, letting you know I'm openly subscribed to you, and I left you a like. Alright, I hope that helps people out. You're welcome to comment down below and say, Papa, I went and checked, and yeah, I got both those next to your name. Or you come back and say, Papa, you've never seen one of my videos. Do what you want. That's the Papa Texas tip of the day. You know the other one? I'm trying to make a video about it. The other tip of the day. If you're going to buy toilet paper, you don't have to go in the store to know whether they have it on the shelf or not. Save time. Just drive through the parking lot, look in people's baskets. They'll have the big thing of toilet paper sitting on top in their baggie as they're going to their car. So you don't even have to stop if you're looking for toilet paper. That's your toilet paper tip of the day from Papa Texas. Yeah, Papa Texas, the big W made me this. He's out there in Arizona driving around Highway 66 showing you all kinds of cool things out there. So if you're really bored, get over there, be a subscriber of his, tell him Papa Texas sent you, and leave him a like. Alright? It's Papa Texas. See ya.